just cross reference only. Okay, first we will begin with our session. If anyone joined newly, just observe me. Whatever is possible, you do it. In case you arise any doubt, you can ask me after the class through my phone. Okay, now first we have to activate all our joints before you start doing yoga. Hold the chair or wall nearby to you to balance yourself. Raise your right leg. Rotate your ankle clockwise 6 times and anti-clockwise 6 times. In a normal breathe in and breathe out. Keep your neck in straight position and interchange your leg. Raise your left leg. Rotate your ankle clockwise 6 times, then anti-clockwise 6 times. And relax. Now for the knee joint rotation, hold your knee by both the arms. Keep your head straight. Rotate your knee clockwise 6 times, anti-clockwise 6 times. Keep your legs together. Those who have knee pain, don't force yourself. Just do your comfortable level. Now anti-clockwise. And relax. Now for the hip joint, just hold your hip. Keep your legs little wide. Just rotate. Don't bend your knees. Keep your legs straight. While stretching your stomach, breathe in. While shrinking your stomach, breathe out. Then opposite side. And relax. Now for the spine joint, stay straight, breathe in, raise your arm, bend back, breathe out slowly, bend forward. Important in this position, your knee should be straight. Breathe in, bend back, breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and relax. For the shoulder rotation, hold your shoulders by your arm. Breathe in, raise your shoulders up, breathe out, relax. Breathe in, raise your elbow, breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Opposite way, breathe in, breathe out. And relax. For the elbow stretch, breathe in, fold your elbow, breathe out, raise your arm. And relax. For the wrist joint rotation, keep your both the wrists together, just rotate clockwise. Don't bend your elbows. Then opposite side, anti-clockwise. And relax. For the finger joints, breathe in, fold all your fingers, breathe out, stretch your all the fingers. And relax. For the neck rotation, do very carefully. Those who have neck pain, don't force yourself. Just breathe out, hold your neck first, then breathe in, raise your neck off round, rotate your neck off round, breathe out, other off round. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in slowly, bend back, breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, bend your neck back, breathe out, bend your neck forward. And opposite side, breathe in, bend backwards, breathe out, bend your neck forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Those who have neck injury, don't do it. Do it at your comfortable level. And relax. For the whole body stretch, just stay straight. Breathe in, raise your arm upwards, turn your palm facing the roof. Breathe out and relax. When you breathe in for the next time, breathe in, stretch your whole body, stand on your toes. You can walk back and front. Hold your breath, stretch more, stretch more. Feel that somebody pulling you from the roof. Stretch more, stretch more. Breathe out and feel the relaxation. One more round. Breathe in, raise your arm up, turn your palm upwards, breathe out and relax. When you breathe in again, breathe in, stand on your toes, stretch your whole body, hold your breath, walk back and front, stretch more, breathe out and feel the relaxation. Just keep your eyes closed for a while. Observe the heartbeat. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation. Always use your throat muscle for breathing in and breathing out, which will give more benefit to you. And relax. Slowly open your eyes. The first yoga, many people had a doubt, what is the sequence? Sequence is like that. Standing exercise first, then lie down on your back, then sitting exercise, then inverted lie down. This will be memorized while we do the class. No need to worry too much about it. Okay, first yoga, Artha Chakrasana. Keep your thumb finger touching your lower backbone, remaining fingers resting over the hip bone. Stretch your arm towards your back as much as possible. Keep your legs together, keeping your eyes open while breathing in, bend back. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the stretch of your stomach muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation while breathing out. Stay in this position for 3 to 4 rounds of breathe in and breathe out. Slowly breathe out, come forward and relax. The limitation here is those who have neck pain, those who have lower back pain, carefully you do it. One more round. Keep your thumb finger touching your lower backbone, remaining finger resting over the hip bone. Stretch your arm towards your back. While breathing in, bend back. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly breathe out, come forward and relax. Next one, Trikonasana. Stretch your legs 1.5 feet apart. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your right side and focus the roof through your left arm. Turn your neck to focus the roof. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Concentrate your knee muscle should be straight. Don't bend your knees. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Now, opposite side. Breathe in, raise your arm. While breathing out, bend onto your left side. Focus the roof through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed. All other body parts should be stiff. Focus in your mind. Concentrate your breathing in and breathing out. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. One more round. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your right side. Focus the roof through your left arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the hip muscles stretch while breathing in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your hip muscles and your shoulder muscles. Concentrate in your mind slowly. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Now, opposite side. Breathe in, stretch your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your left side. Focus the roof through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the right hip muscle stretch while breathing in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation. This is called Trikonasana, triangular posture. Very useful exercise for the hip joint and your hip muscles. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Next one, to get more stretch to the hip muscles, advanced second stage of Trikonasana. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend out your right side. Keep your left arm touching your ears. Keep your hands parallel to the ground. Feel the stretch of your shoulder muscles and your hip joint, hip muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation while breathing out. Always remember your legs should be straight in this position. Don't bend your knees. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Opposite side. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your left side. Keep your right arm touching your ears. Keep your elbows straight, hands parallel to the ground. Each time you breathe out, allow your left arm slide over the leg so that you get more stretch to the hip muscles. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. One more round for the right side. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your right side. Keep your left arm touching your ears. Focus your breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Keep your facial muscles always relaxed, smiling. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Now, opposite side. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend onto your left side. Keep your right arm touching your ears. and focus the side wall through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the stretch of your right hip muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation of your right hip muscles while breathing out. Focus your mind inwards on the muscle movement. Slowly breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Next one, Parivarta Trikonasana, which is very useful for the hip muscles stretch. Stretch your legs to the maximum. The limitation here is those who have severe back pain, don't bend too much. Just bend at your comfortable level. You can touch, instead of touching the ankle, you can touch your knee. Just watch me for the normal stretch. Those who are doing for the first time, breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend forward. Twist your body, hold your left ankle by your right arm and focus the rope through your left arm. Those who are doing for the first time, watch once again. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Those who feel lower back pain, don't force yourself too much. Instead of holding the ankle, they can hold at your knee joint so that you will have less stretch to the lower back muscles. But if you do this regularly, you will recover from back pain in a long run. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. One more round for the opposite side. Stretch your leg to the maximum. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend forward. Hold your right ankle by your left arm and focus the rope through your right arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. In this yoga, you will have more stretch to the hip muscles and your shoulder muscle and stretch to the thigh muscles. Slowly breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. Every time you come back to normal, then you stretch. That will be helpful. One more round. Breathe in, stretch your leg to the maximum. Raise your arm. Breathe out, bend forward. Hold your left ankle by your right arm and focus the rope through your left arm. Concentrate, your knee should be straight. Feel the stretch at your shoulder joint, your neck joint, and your lower back muscles. Keep in mind, do gradual breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. One more round for the opposite side. Stretch your leg to the maximum. Breathe in, raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend forward. Hold your right ankle by your left arm and focus the rope through your right arm. Slowly, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, come back to normal. This is called Parivarta Trikonasana, which is very useful for your lower back joint and your knee joint. Okay, now Peacock Yoga, which is to relieve the shoulder muscle stiffness. Spread your legs 1 feet apart. Interlock your fingers at the back. Breathe in, bend back. While breathing out, bend forward. Concentrate, your knee should be straight and raise your arm upwards. For some people, their arm will be this position only. No problem. Every time you breathe out, try to stretch your arm upwards to the maximum. Slowly, slowly you can able to do. You may get restriction due to the stiffness of your shoulder joint ligaments. Each time you breathe out, bend further down. Slowly breathing, come up, breathe out and relax. For the people, those who have back pain, they can very well do this exercise, which will help them to relieve. One more round. Interlock your fingers at the back. While breathing in, bend back. While breathing out, bend forward and raise your arm upwards. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Mayurasana, standing position. Slowly, breathe in, come up, breathe out and relax. Next one, very important yoga, which is equivalent to 5-kilometer walking benefit you will attain in the practice itself. Keep your legs together and breathe in, raise your both arms. Those who are doing for the first time, watch me one more round. While breathing out, you should bend your knee, sit straight. The limitation here is when the people bend more, their knee gets separated. That means you should stay in this position only. You have to go further down, their heel start slips, then that is your limit. You should stay in this position only. Your aim, your knee should be together and foot flat on the floor. You have to sit like this, then focus the root through your arm. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly breathe in, come up, breathe out and relax. The limitation here is those who have hypertension don't stay for more time because their heart pumping rate will increase while doing this exercise. Just do it carefully and relaxingly. Okay? Those people, they can stay like a chair instead of doing this. This is also alternate exercise for them. Okay? All of you join. Hope everyone clear with this. This is very important yoga, which is equivalent to 5-kilometer walking. Keep your legs together. Breathe in. Raise your both arms. While breathing out, bend your knee. Sit straight. For some people, their hand will come like this, no problem. Slowly, slowly, you can raise upwards. Main aim, you have to raise your arm up and focus the roof through your eyes. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. If you feel difficulty, don't stay for more time. You can come back and do it again. Slowly, breathe in, come up and relax. Now you can lie down on your back. Name of this yoga is called Utkatasana. You can lie down on your back. Feel the heartbeat in your mind. Keep your hands near to your thigh, palms open to the sky. Using the throat muscle, take a deep breath in. Fill your stomach like a balloon. Without holding the breath, breathe out and feel the relaxation. By doing like this, using the throat muscle, you can relax very fast. Continue breathing in and breathing out on your own for minimum 8 rounds after doing the Utkatasana. And relax. Now we completed the standing yoga. Now we are going to do lie down on your back. Few yogas. First one is called Naugasana, like a boat. Stretch your arm over the head while breathing in. While breathing out, lift your legs and your body. You can support your legs over the sofa, or you can support your legs by your arm to get balance. The main aim, you should keep your legs straight. Stretch your toes outwards so that your leg muscles become stiff. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the vibration around your stomach muscles. Slowly breathe in, go back, breathe out and relax. This is one of the best yoga to strengthen the stomach muscles. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Name of this yoga, Naugasana, boat yoga. One more round. Breathe in, stretch your arm over the head. While breathing out, lift your legs and your body to stay like a boat. Those who have lower back pain, do it carefully. Do with your bearable pain. Don't force yourself. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Slowly, breathe in, go back. Breathe out and relax. Next yoga in lie down state is called Pavan Muktasana. Very useful for your digestive system and which will release the gastric trouble. It will be very useful for the people, those who are suffering from gastric trouble issues. Breathe in, fold your right leg, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach as close as possible. Slowly, while breathing out, lift your head to touch your chin with your knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. If you are not able to touch your chin with your knee, no problem. Do as close as possible, but keep your left leg flat on the floor. Feel the compression in your stomach muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation while breathing out. Slowly, breathe in, go back. Breathe out, stretch your leg outwards and relax. This is called Ardha Pavan Muktasana when you do for single leg. Breathe in, fold your left leg, hold by your both the arms, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, slowly lift your head to touch your chin with your knee or as close as possible. In this stage, concentrate your breathing in and breathing out. While breathing in, feel the compression in your stomach muscle. While breathing out, feel the relaxation. Slowly, breathe in, go back. Breathe out and stretch your leg outwards and relax. Now, one more round for the right side. Breathe in, fold your right leg, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. Slowly, while breathing out, lift your head to touch your chin with your knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. After 4 rounds of breathe in and breathe out, slowly, while breathing in, go back. While breathing out, stretch your leg outwards and relax. Breathe in, fold your left leg, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. While breathing out, lift your head to touch your chin with your knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the stretch at your neck joint. Feel the compression at your stomach muscles. Slowly, breathe in, go back. Breathe out, stretch your leg outwards and relax. Now, we are going to do both the legs. Those who are suffering from the neck pain, don't do it. Continue single leg stretch only. All other people, those who are normal at your neck, you can do both the legs. Breathe in, fold your both the legs. Hold by both the arms. Hold your breath. Press your thigh towards your stomach. Slowly breathe out. Lift your head towards your knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out for 3 rounds in this stage. Those who had late lunch, don't force yourself. After this, while breathing in, sit up. While breathing out, roll down. Breathe in, sit up. Breathe out, roll down. Just those who are doing for the first time, you can watch me and do it. While breathing out, you should lie down. While breathing in, you should sit up. If you do reverse, you may feel pain. Just observe which breathing you are following that point of time. And relax. This will give complete massage to your backbone and back muscles as well as your stomach organs. One more round we will do. Breathe in, fold your both the legs, hold by your both the arms, hold your breath, press your thigh towards your stomach. Those who have neck pain, don't raise your neck in this position. You can do in this position only. Don't do beyond that. All other people, while breathing out, lift your head towards your knee. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage for 3 rounds. Slowly, breathe in, sit up. Breathe out, roll down. Breathe in, while breathing out, lie down. You oscillate yourself up and down. Feel the stretch at your lower backbone and back muscles. And relax. This is called Purna Pavan Muktasana when you do for both the legs. This will completely relieve the trapped gas between your muscles. Keep your palms open to the sky near to your thighs. Take a deep breath in using the throat muscle. Fill your stomach gradually. While breathing out, feel the complete relaxation of your whole body. Slowly turn to your right side. With the help of your left arm, sit up. Get ready for the pranayamam, breathing practice. See here, last week we have introduced throat breathing. What is throat breathing? Throat breathing is nothing but when you use your mouth for breathing in and breathing out. That time you are using the throat muscle. Continue doing that by keeping the mouth closed, so that air will go through the nose, comes out through the nose. Just concentrate. Keep all your fingers touching each other. Take a normal breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Now use your throat muscle for breathing in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation. How to differentiate this? That means when you use your throat muscle, your nose muscle will not have any movement. That is the sensation for you. At the same time, you will feel different sound in your mind while using the throat muscle. Just concentrate. We are doing this every day when we are in deep sleep. With your awareness, if you do this, the benefit will be more. Get ready. Do all of you for 8 rounds. Breathe in and breathe out. Gradual breathe in. No need to hold your breath. Breathe out gradually using the throat muscle. Start, everyone. Take a deep breath in. Those who are all feeling difficulty in sitting on the floor by leg folded condition due to some knee issues, they can sit in the chair and do it. And relax. So this throat breathing is very, very useful. You should practice daily. Now the first pranayamam we are going to do, Kapalbhati pranayamam, which is very useful for the people, those who are doing for the first time, who joined today. Just watch me carefully. All others, they can do on their own. Take a normal breathe in. In this, you have to focus your breathe out cycle. While breathing out, your stomach should go inwards. Initially, you can keep your hand to push while breathe out. So normally, you can do this by your stomach force. Your focus should be breathe out, and while breathing out, your stomach should go inwards. Keep all your fingers touching each other. Keep your wrist resting over the knee. Keep your back and neck straight. Facial muscles smiling and relaxed. Take a normal breathe in. Breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, Kapalbhati pranayamam, pull your stomach inwards and breathe out. Keep your chin raised condition. Don't block your chin. Continue on your own. Some people may have throat irritation. That is normal. They can do continuously. If you get cough, just cough it out and continue breathing in and breathing out. Concentrate only breathe out cycle. By breathing out, pull your stomach inwards. When you feel pain in your stomach muscles while doing this, just relax. You have to stop doing this breathing. That is the limit you have to do. Keep your palms open to the sky. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Initially, you can watch me by keeping your eyes open. Once you familiarize the method how to do, it is better to do with your closed eyes. Always pranayamam should be done by keeping your eyes closed. Get ready for the second round. Keep all your fingers touching each other, wrist resting over the knee. Take a normal breathe in, breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. While breathing out, Kapalbhati Pranayamam. When you feel pain in your stomach muscle, or when you breathe out, your stomach comes out, you should stop doing this breathing and relax. Slowly open your eyes. We are going to do now next pranayamam. It's called Bhastrika Pranayamam. In this, those who have hypertension, they can fold leg folded condition, keep your thumb finger upright and do this method. Just you can watch me one more round. You have to inhale. This way you have to do. You can sit in this same position. You can sit in the chair and do also. Those who feel difficulty in sitting in this position due to knee pain. So all the other people, they have to sit in Vajrasana, leg folded condition, so that your back and neck will be straight. You have to keep your arm folded in front of your shoulder. When I say in, you should open up your fingers. When I say one, breathe out and give a jerk to the ribs. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed. Just watch me for 2 to 3 rounds, how I am doing. For the people, those who join for the first time, keep your arm folded in front of your shoulder, your neck and back relaxed, facial muscles smiling. When I say in, like that you have to do. Keep tissue or towel beside you so that you can clean your nose because it cleanses the breathing tract. Very, very powerful pranayamam you have to do. At the end of 20 counts, I will say keep your thumb finger touching your bottom line of your little finger. Hold all the other fingers over the thumb. Then press your both arms together and press your thigh by both arms. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath, lock your chin. Stay in this position as long as you can able to hold your breath. Then when I say release, first release your chin, then release your arm. It is depending upon your individual capacity. You can do it. All of you get ready. I will be giving you the count. You can do it. Yeah, you can play the speaker. Amma Pannu. Amma Pannu. Okay. I'll be playing the audio. Just everyone relax. Keep your eyes closed. You can sit in Vajrasana. Just few minutes. Just I am connecting the Bluetooth speaker. Yeah. ப்ளே பண்ணி பாரு.
Powerful breathing. Sitting in Vajrasana. Your eyes. Keep your facial muscles smiling and relaxed.
Hope everyone can
Keep your
able to hear the
arms
voice.
folded in front of your shoulder. Your neck and back relaxed. Take a normal breathing. Breathe out and relax. Take a deep breathing. Breathe out and relax. Now, breathe in first in, one, and relax. Now do your pranayama. Keep your thumb finger touching your bottom line of your little finger. Fold all the other fingers over the thumb. Keep your arms together and press your thigh by both arms. Take a deep breathing in using the throat muscle. Hold your breath, lock your chin, stay as long as you can. Able to hold your breath. When you breathe out, first release your chin, then release your arm. Keep your arm open to the sky, open the eyes. Feel the sensations in your mind.
Feel the sensations in your mind and relax yourself completely. One of the best breathing exercise for migraine headache and for the enhancement of your lungs capacity. Just observe the sensations in your mind, relax yourself completely. Get ready for the second round. Keep your arm folded in front of your shoulder, your neck and back relaxed, facial muscles smiling. Take a normal breath in, breathe out and relax. Take a deep breath in, breathe out and relax. Now breathing in Bhastrika, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10. And relax. Keep your thumb finger touching your bottom line of your little finger. Fold all the other fingers over the thumb. This is called Adi Mudra. Press your both arms together and press your thigh by both the arms. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, hold your breath, lock your chin. Stay as long as you can able to hold your breath. This is called Moola Bandha Mudra, which retains the energy which is gained from this breathing exercise. Hold your breath, stay in this position as long as you can able to hold your breath. Slowly while breathing out, first release your chin, then release your arm. Those who feel pain in your ankle or knee muscles, just stretch your legs and relax. You can open your eyes. At the end of the class, I will send you the audio file of this practice. You can do daily in the morning. This one you do daily, you will feel the difference in your energy level. Now we are going to do inverted lie down. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your hands near to your chest. Keep your legs together and stretch the toes outwards. First inverted lie down yoga is called Bhujangasana. While breathing in, raise your upper body up to the hip joint on the floor, above the hip joint, over the floor. Bend to focus the roof. Feel the stretch of your stomach muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation of your stomach as well as your back muscles while breathing out. Slowly breathe out, come down and relax. This is otherwise called cobra position, which will enhance your eyesight and help your throat muscles, thyroid glands. One more round. Bhujangasana. Keep your hands near to your chest, elbows raised upwards. While breathing in, raise your upper body, bend your neck to focus the roof. Those who feel pain in your neck, just do at your comfortable level. Those who have pain in your lower back muscles, they can very well do this exercise, which will help them. Feel the stretch of your stomach muscles while breathing in. Feel the relaxation of your stomach as well as lower back muscles while breathing out. Slowly breathe out, lie down and relax. Next one, we are going to do Salabhasana, which is very useful for the lower hip joint. Keep your hands near to your thighs, palms facing the roof. Apply pressure to the hands on the ground. While breathing in, lift your right leg up to the hip joint. You should raise your right leg. Don't bend your knees. Keep your leg stiff. Do normal breathing in and breathing out in this stage. Feel the stretch of your lower hip ligaments. Keep your chin firmly touching on the floor. While breathing in, feel the stretch of your leg muscle. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your leg muscles. Slowly breathe out and lower down and relax. When you do for the single leg, it is called Ardha Salabhasana. Now breathe in, lift your left leg up to the hip joint. You should raise your left leg. Feel the stretch of your lower hip joint. Slowly, while breathing out, lower down and relax. One more round for the right side. Breathe in, lift your right leg. This is the only yoga gives benefit to the lower back joint. Slowly breathe out and lower down. Now opposite side, breathe in, lift your left leg, raise your left leg up to the hip joint at 45-degree angle. Keep your chin firmly touching the floor. Each time you breathe in, feel the stiffness in your leg muscles. Each time you breathe out, feel the relaxation in your leg muscles. Slowly breathe out and lower down and relax. Now, all of you lie down on your back for the relaxation yoga. Just follow me. You can switch off the light. Lie down comfortably on your back. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your hands open to the sky, near to the thigh muscles. You can spread your legs little wide. Feel the complete relaxation of your whole body parts. Using the throat muscle, while breathing in, fill your stomach gradually. Without holding the breath, breathe out and feel the relaxation. Continue on your own for a while. Each time you breathe in, it brings you energy. Each time you breathe out, it relaxes you more and more. Concentrate your inner muscle relaxation while doing this savasana. This will nullify the heat which is generated from this yoga practice. So it plays a vital role in yoga practice. Relaxation yoga. Become aware of your surroundings, people around you, lights around you, and the sounds around you. Accept everything as it is, and you become relaxed. Very important thing you need to notify when you are lying down, your head should focus either on the east side or on the south side. Don't keep your head on the north side and do this exercise. If anyone keeping the head over the north side, just change your position and relax. Become aware of your right foot. Visualize your right foot in your mind while breathing in. While breathing out, feel your right foot muscles getting relaxed completely. Simple thought process you have to do while doing breathing in and breathing out using the throat muscle. You can praise your right foot for its functions. Become aware of your right knee. Visualize your right knee in your mind. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your right knee joint. Continue breathing in and breathing out on your own using the throat muscle. Become aware of your right thigh. Become aware of your right hip joint. Become aware of whole part of your right leg. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your right leg muscles completely. Take a deep breathing in again. While breathing out, feel your right leg muscles getting relaxed completely. Become aware of your left foot. Left knee. Left thigh. Left hip joint. whole part of your left leg. Take a deep breath in gradually. Without holding the breath, feel the relaxation of your left leg muscles completely. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your left leg muscles completely. Become aware of your abdominal parts. Become aware of your kidneys. Become aware of your liver, which is a chemical factory in you which controls the blood quality all the time. Become aware of your pancreas, located below the left side ribs. Which enrich the blood cells. Become aware of your stomach parts, small intestine, big intestine. Just visualize these parts in your mind. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your stomach muscles completely. Become aware of your lungs, which exchanges the impurities in a fraction of time through the breath. Such a tremendous part you have. Most of the toxins are relieved from lungs only. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your lungs muscles completely. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your lungs muscles completely. Become aware of your heart, which is a powerful part which pumps the blood throughout the corner of your body in a fraction of time without a moment rest. Admire its wonderful functions to you. By your mind feeling, you can relax your heart muscles right now. Just take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your heart muscles right now. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your heart muscles completely. Become aware of your shoulders and arms. Your backbone and back muscles. Always holding your whole body weight, even in sleep. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your backbone and back muscles completely. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your backbone and back muscles completely. Become aware of your neck and throat. Your facial parts. Become aware of your mind, always having thoughts either on the positive side or on the negative side. Accept your negative thoughts, don't resist it. You can hold on to your positive thoughts. It will bring you tremendous energy. You can do wonder in this world. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your mind completely. Feel the energy flowing into your body right now. Take a deep breath in again. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your mind completely. Become aware of your whole part of your head muscles. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your head muscles completely. Become aware of your whole body. Accept your body as it is. Whatever the shape, whatever the health condition it has. Praise your body for its wonderful functions to you. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your whole body parts. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your complete body parts. Become aware of your surroundings, people around you. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, feel the relaxation of your complete body parts. You can stretch your arm over the head. Slowly turn to your right side. With the support of your left arm, sit up very slowly. Take your own time. Slowly and gently, you can open out your eyes. Good evening to you all.
Good evening.
Hope you all enjoy the session.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening. Yeah, good.
யாருக்காவது ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்கன்னா சார்ட்ட கேளுங்க.
Okay, bye bye. Good night, all of you.
I'm at 6:30. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night. See you.
Thank you.